أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. In our first lesson, we learned that the word kalma is three types: noun, ism, verb fail, and particle herb. Noun has four qualities. Number one, jins, gender. Number two, adat, number. Number three, al-tarif, al-tanqi, definite and indefinite. Al-arab is ending, jins, gender in detail. In Arabic, there are two types of nouns in term of gender. Number one, masculine al-muzakkar. Number two, feminine al-munas. There is no specific sign for identifying masculine words, and words should be assumed to be masculine al-muzakkar unless they belong to one of the following categories: hakiki, real feminine, feminine by meaning. Second one is al-munas al-hukmi, conventional feminine. There are female human beings or animals which have their male opposites. For example, ummun, mother. Ummun is opposite of abbun or waladun. Other examples for imratun, woman; bintun, girl; uktun, sister. There are also words which do not have male opposites, and yet they are also classified as al-munas al-hakiki or real feminine. For example, hamilun, pregnant; murziun, wet nurse; haizun, menstruating lady. These terms only used for ladies. Hukmi, conventional feminine, indicating nouns of things do not truly feminine but follows a conventional rule. It includes the following. First one is nouns ending with ta marbuta. The letter ta is also known as round ta or closed ta. It is considered as basic feminine. For example, madrasatun school, madinatun city, sayyaratun sar. They are considered to be feminine because they end with ta marbuta or round ta. The letter ta is also added to masculine nouns or adjectives to make them feminine. For example, malikun, king, and it is made malikatun by adding ta marbuta and it means queen. Tabibun, male doctor, and tabibatun, female doctor. And adjectives, for example, jamilun, beautiful for male; jamilatun, for female; kabirun, big for male; and kabiratun, big for female. But we have exceptions such as male words also carrying a ta marbuta but they are male. For example, hamzatun and talhatun. These are male words, proper nouns. And second one of conventional feminine is nouns ending with shortened alif or alif maksura. It is called shortened alif. It ends with shortened alif. For example, bushra, husna, ubra. All these are considered to be feminine because they end with alif maksura, shortened alif. Third one is nouns ending with elongated alif, alif mamduda. For example, hamrao, sahrao, kibriyao, bezao. The above three kinds of feminine nouns, ta marbuta, shortened alif, and elongated alif, are called al-munas al-qiyasi or logical feminine because they follow a specific pattern or rule.